Hey guys, what's up? So today is 10th of July and the stock which we are going to analyze is HDFC AMC. So guys, this is the daily time frame of HDFC AMC and trust me guys, this stock is showing so many bullish patterns. I just want you to pause the video here for a minute and just try to identify how many patterns you can see in this chart so that you can improve your learning skills. So guys, now diving into the analysis, if we see that this stock has been in a good uptrend and now it has retraced a bit and it is going up again. So to check whether this is a healthy retracement or no, we use the FIBO tool. So we apply the FIBO tool from the lowest point to the highest point, and what we can see here is that the stock has taken support exactly at the 0.5 levels, which is a healthy retracement level. So guys, this is the first confirmation which we are getting, and now if we take the retracement zone here and draw two trend lines, one connecting these points and another connecting the below points, what we can see here is the stock has formed a falling wedge pattern. So guys, falling wedge pattern is also a bullish pattern, and the probability of the stock giving a breakout to the falling wedge pattern and going up are very high. So here the stock has given the breakout of the falling wedge pattern, and also you can see the volumes are excellent, and that's what gives us the confirmation that this falling wedge pattern has a high probability to go ahead with our trend. So this is the second point what we have. And if we go back a little bit and if we draw a cup like this, we can see that the stock has also formed a cup and handle pattern. So guys, you might be thinking that it has not formed a perfect rounding bottom, but guys, this is what you have to learn to analyze in the stock, because it is not possible that the rounding bottom which we learn in theory, which we see in pictures, can exactly be on the charts, because it will be then so easy for everyone to analyze any chart patterns. So that's not the case guys. You have to analyze, and we have to analyze and we have to play on the probability that this is going to be a cup and handle pattern, and if it goes in our favor, we are going to get rewarded, and if it doesn't, then we are going to give a small stop loss and exit the trade. So this is the third confirmation which we have guys, that it has given a breakout of the cup and handle pattern, and again this is a sign of bullish pattern. And now if we go on this 60 minutes time frame guys, 60 minutes time frame, and if we come here before the breakout was given for the falling wedge pattern, and if I draw a neckline like this, then guys, we can see that the stock had formed an inverted head and shoulder. So this is the head, sorry, this is the shoulder, left shoulder, this is the head, and this was the right shoulder. And as you guys can see, the stock did not give anyone a chance to enter over here. There was no retest at this level, and usually I have told you in many of my videos that I am the person who trades on retest levels. So here we did not get any entry, and in the single candle it gave a breakout of the falling wedge as well as the inverted head and shoulder pattern. And again, inverted head and shoulder pattern is a bullish breakout scenario. So if we stretch the neckline of the inverted head and shoulder pattern here, what we can see that the stock has exactly taken support. Let me zoom out a bit. Exactly taken support at the neckline of the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and now it is going up. So guys, this is the thing, this is the power of retest. Here you did not get entry because there was no retrace. It's okay, you have to wait patiently for the stock to come at your levels, and then you get a perfect entry. So this is a fourth point, and guys, this is a great learning thing, that you have to wait, like it was approximately it made us wait approximately 10 days and then gave a retest at this level. So this is a great thing, guys. And also look at the volumes of the breakout of the inverted head and shoulder pattern, guys. The volumes are also great. So this is the fourth point. And now after giving the breakout and at the retest level, why is this a right time to get into this stock? I'll tell you that, guys. So again, if I draw a trend line like this on the 1 hour time frame and another trend line like this, what we can see here is, guys, again the stock has given a breakout of the falling wedge pattern, and again it has formed a falling wedge pattern over here, and now it has given the breakout of that as well. Also see the volumes as compared to the other volumes, the volumes are quite high and good, and here it has given a retest and now it is going up. So this is the fifth confirmation, guys, that the stock is going to get bullish from here. So this were the 5 points. This were the 5 points which I had to share in the analysis of HDFC AMC. And if we talk about the RR ratio, guys, the RR ratio is going to be great in this trade. And if we get entry anywhere around the current market price also, we can keep our stop loss below the right shoulder. That will be a first stop loss. And if you guys want to not give a tight stop loss, you can give the stop loss below the head as well. That is going to be a huge stop loss. I won't recommend you that stop loss, but for being on the safer side, you can go for this. But if we are keeping the stop loss huge, we are going to keep our targets as well huge. So target is going to be the all-time high, and that is going to be approximately giving us an RR ratio of 1:2. That's a decent RR ratio, I would say, for the swing. And guys, let me tell you, this is, if you guys take this trade, you have to be patient, because this can turn into a positional trade. Like, it can take few weeks to achieve the target. So that's your patience level. And if you keep the stop loss around the right shoulder, then the RR ratio what comes is 1:3.16. So that's an excellent RR ratio, I would say. And trailing your stop loss is another part which we can do, that if the stock is going in our favor, we can just keep on trailing, reducing our stop loss. And guys, the level which we have to look is here. This level can act as a resistance. So here, if the stock forms or gives a breakdown or anything like that, we have to keep trailing our stop loss. We should not think that, okay, the stock is here, when it gives a breakout over here, then only I trail the stop loss, because we work on probability. Like, we have so many confirmations, but still the trade can go against us. So stop loss is the thing which can save us, protect us from huge losses, and that's what we have to manage, and that is in our hand. So this was it, guys. This was my analysis on HDFC AMC, and I personally think that this stock is going to give good returns in the coming few weeks. So let's hope for the best, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and also please press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like the video, guys, please.